Hi fellas, I finally mounted up my 800 watt 12 volt wind turbine. Would have been better off with a 5-bladed variant, which is better in low wind areas, but obviously practically twice as much cost wise. I've still got my Vivo up in the same area. Obviously it's not terribly high risk, but I'm kind of limited to where I live, just with neighbours and what have you, local regulations and what have you. But it's all wired up. You can't see there, I don't think, but mounted just at the top there. I've got a 35 amp 3-phase bridge rectifier already wired up, and I've just got 2 wires to supply the DC current to my batteries, my battery at the moment. I'm just waiting to get some more batteries. Same battery I've got Vivo hooked up to. I've also got a 24 volt off-grid 1 kilowatt permanent magnet alternator from the same firm, istabreeze. Very good. Weighs 10.5 kilograms, but it's a nice piece of kit. I was thinking of mounting it on VAWT, but I think I'm going to just buy some more blades like these. Well, they're a bit small for what I wanted, but I was actually a danger to myself trying to use the power plane with my numbness in my hands. So I'll probably just buy another set of theirs and mount probably a 5-bladed set, and mount the 1 kilowatt a HAWT format. That's like 95% of the world's wind turbines and mounted like this, horizontal axis wind turbine, instead of vertical where it's stands up on a pole and it goes around like so. And there we go, just waiting for some wind now. Apparently they start up about 9-mile-an-hour winds, but they can produce like really good currents in higher winds. I've seen the spec sheets. You know, when it gets to like 30-40 mile an hour, really high winds, they can produce like 35-40 amps, I believe, at 12 volts, which is very meaningful, very useful. Already got the inverter ready. So, God bless all you poor people in California. It's terrible what I've seen on Malibu and LA. A lot of it's down to mismanagement. I know I'm a townie by birth, but I know the fact that dried up pine needles are the best tinder in the world. I've actually used them as tinder, and they're even better than my cotton wool, which is more or less ideal. Yeah, dried pine needles are about the worst or best tinder imaginable, especially when there's like a yard or 2 deep, which would have been around California. God bless guys, all the best, bye bye.